What's up, New Mexico? This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas. How you doing? Happy April. We are rolling in April. It is gorgeous today. First day of April, and it's just unbelievable out here. And we're excited because we've got all kinds of things happening here at the store. I mean, if you are looking for a vehicle, you need to come down and see us. I almost walked into that balloon right there. So we've got all kinds of things happening this month, including Truck Month. Chevy Truck Month is going on. And that started last month, and it has been huge. I mean, every truck that's coming in is going out, going out, going out. And I just looked online. They've still got the accessory bonus. So when you buy a truck like this one, which is sweet, this is a high country Silverado 1500. It's got the 6.2 liter diesel. Bad boy. Yeah. Right next to it, check this out. We've got another 1500. This is a Duramax 1500. So it's got that 3 liter Duramax in it, which is just a tough engine. So we have got that going on. But when you buy one of these trucks, you get $1,000 in accessory bonus. So you can, whatever. Let's see. Yeah, this one's got running boards, so maybe you could put a tonneau cover on it. Or maybe you could put some window vents on it. Whatever you want. You can make your truck your own here at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas during April. And you know what? Gas prices suck. And we are going to hook you up. So all you got to do is click the link below. Click right down there in the video. And we are going to hook you up with a $1,000 gas card. Enter to win that. We're giving that away at the end of the month. So if you were looking for a deal, click right there. You don't even have to buy anything. Just come on in, click that button, boom. Or you can stop by and see us. You can do your entry here at the store. Whatever you want. So we've got that going on. What else we got? When you click that link, you will also see that we have got a bunch of information about, let's say that you got a vehicle now and you don't want to get rid of it. So click the link, find out if your vehicle needs a tune-up, even something as small as putting the right pressure in your tires. We come in and get a free tire check. We could check those out and make sure you're getting the best gas mileage possible, because gas prices do suck. But if you are looking for a vehicle, we have got Silverados. Well, we got a nice one in yesterday. I wonder if we could walk back there. Let's walk back there. Come on. All right, so we're almost there. I'm old. It takes me a while, all right? But we got these trucks in yesterday. These are sweet. We just got them in. They ain't going to last the weekend. So if you were looking for a Silverado Trail Boss, baby, if you're looking for a Trail Boss, this thing is tough. It's an LT Trail Boss. Bed liner in it. Full crew cab, LT. Got all kinds of stuff in here. It's got the off-road clearance steps. I don't know where those are. We have to install those. They just got here. They're not on there yet. It's got all kinds of stuff. Look inside. Pretty. But look at that. Tough, huh? Silverado. So if you were looking for a Trail Boss, we got that. I'm swinging this camera everywhere. I bet you're dizzy. And then look at this truck. Holy smokes. Look at this thing. 4-wheel drive RST edition. Look right there. Right there. RST, baby. So if you are looking for a Silverado, this just came in and it is sweet. I tell you what, you need to get down here. Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas, 505-866-3000. Check us out online, MelloyChevrolet.com. But look at that. Got the red stripe edition. That's nice. So anyway, get on down here and see us. Click the link to win the video. No, not to win the video. You already won. You're watching the video. No, click the link to win the gas card. We'll hook you up there. If you need to get your tires checked, get on in here and check out the tires. We'll do that for free. What else? It's Truck Month. Get on down here. Come on, people. This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet. Get on down here and see us and pick up one of these trucks that just came in. They are hot. And I'm going to walk up there now. Exit 203, Interstate I-25. Easy to find, easy to deal with. What else do I need to tell you? I guess that's it. This is Dennis at Melloy Chevrolet, 505-866-3000, 505-866-3000. give us a phone call or just click the link, register to win that gift card. You can also look at our vehicles there, whatever you want to do. That's it. I'll see you later. Bye.